Hi, I'm Hannah Bernard. You're watching Market 1 Minute, and I'm here today with Feisal Somji of Prize Mining Corporation. So it's been an exciting year for the company, but I want to start with talking about your success and how it relates to Prize.
Yeah, thanks. I was with a company called Rio Alto before. The company was Mexican Silver Mines. 2008, the markets came down, and we thought it was cheaper to buy ounces than drill for ounces. So I partnered up with Tony and Alex and changed our name to Rio Alto. We acquired an asset in Peru, and over 18 months, we raised over $100 million, put the project into production. We were producing over 100,000 ounces a year, and at a cash cost of less than $700 an ounce. And what I learned out of that was two things. First of all, you've got to do exploration with the view of production, so you've got to be able to know that you can pull that commodity out of the ground.
Yeah.
And second of all, you've got to be able to do it on a cost-effective basis. And so by operating at less than $700 or $800 an ounce, you know you can ride out the downturns in the market.
So let's talk about Prize Mining. Let's talk about your properties. So why did you choose the Kiena property as your first asset?
Yeah, the Kiena project is located in BC. BC is a great jurisdiction for mining and exploration currently. It's got great infrastructure in the area. We're just outside the town of Nelson. Our head geologist lives in Nelson, so he's 10 kilometers away from the project. Our drillers are based out of Salmo, which is about 30 kilometers away. Our geophysical operator is out of Roslyn. So it's an area that has a lot of infrastructure and a lot of resources available. The project has a resource already of about 480,000 ounces in the indicated category and about 1.3 million ounces in the inferred category. So it's a project that already has a base, a good base to it. But it's a large land position. It's 8,000 hectares and lots of exploration potential with that as well.
And I also know that you've acquired the Daylight and Tough Nut properties as well. Tell us why.
Right. One is a district-wide approach. Both properties are contiguous with the Kiena project, so it allows us for now close to 11,000 hectares of property. Yeah. We've got the whole district in the Silver King Porphyry's shear zone. It's higher grade material. The Daylight property had 4 historical mines that were producing close to and up to 37 grams a ton of material. It's non-43-101 compliant, but those were the production grades at that time. Tough Nut has some surface samples and some drilling work that shows high-grade material as well. So it allows us for a district-wide approach, and it allows us to focus on higher-grade resources as well.
So you've acquired these properties, so why are you focusing on the Daylight and Tough Nut properties?
Yeah, we've got a current resource base on Kiena. We're seeing higher-grade material at Daylight and Tough Nut. We feel we can increase our resource base by focusing first on Daylight and Tough Nut. Spending the next little while drilling, hopefully increasing our resources, our 43-101 resources, and then start looking at a mine plan coming around it. So our focus is Daylight, Tough Nut. We're working out there now, and we're hoping in 2018 we'll be able to build more resources.
Sounds like you're doing things the right way. Feisal, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.